Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your iPhone 17 Pro or any of the new iPhone on the latest iOS version. I'm going to show you a few different ways to do it. So let's get started. First, and the simple way to take a screenshot is locating that volume up button, which is the middle button on the left side, and this big side button. You're going to press and release at the same time. Just like that, and it'll take a screenshot for you on the screen that you're in, and then you can go ahead and make adjustment to it, crop it, do markups with all the tools available and such. And once you're done, you can click on that check mark to save it to photos, files, or quick notes, or you can copy and delete, or just simply delete if you didn't like that screenshot. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save to photos, and it's going to go ahead and save it to the Photos app. Now, another way also to do it is if you have Siri turned on in your setting, you're going to go to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Make sure Siri is turned on here. And what you can do is invoke Siri to also take a screenshot. So simply say, hey Siri, take a screenshot. And just like that, without touching those buttons this time, Siri can also take a screenshot. And the same exact process, you can save, copy, or simply delete. Now another way to do it is through your settings. And now another way through your setting that you can do is by going into Accessibility, Touch, AssistiveTouch, and then we're going to turn on AssistiveTouch, and that brings up basically a virtual home button that you can use to do certain things. For example, I can tap on it, click on Device, and then click on More, and right here I will see an option that says take a screenshot. So it will also be able to take a screenshot, and then same exact thing, you can go ahead and edit, markup, and then save it as you like. And just like that, those are different ways to take a screenshot on your iPhone 17 Pro. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.